Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 34, Quadratic Equations, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. State true or false. There are 2-3 sub-questions. Let's solve one by one. The quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 has two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. See this, any quadratic equation has two roots, x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now this b square minus 4ac, which is under the square root, is known as determinant or discriminant. Now everything depends on this only. Now if this b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there are two separate roots, separate numbers. One is with plus, one is with minus. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then both the roots are equal. See here, then what happens? These roots are real. Here also real roots, here also real roots. But here they are not distinct, they are not separate. There is only one root. Now if it is less than 0, then the roots are called as complex numbers, where I is involved, imaginary numbers. That is not under our scope of study up to 10th. In science standards next you have it. So this statement is false. Next, the quadratic equation 2 into a square plus b square into x square plus 2a plus b into x plus 1 equals to 0, where a not equals to b has no real roots, means the roots are imaginary. Now how will you know whether roots are imaginary? If you can prove that capital B square minus 4ac. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.